Three American companies just hijacked the future of AI, and no one's talking about it. AI isn't just changing the world, it's rebuilding it, but not by chance. Three companies are leading this revolution: OpenAI, Nvidia, and Amazon, and if you're not watching them closely, you're missing the full picture. OpenAI isn't just a research lab anymore. It's become the brain of the AI revolution. ChatGPT, Whisper Codex GPT-4o, these aren't just tools, they're infrastructure. They're replacing developers, writers, designers, even decision makers. And behind that friendly chatbot interface is an engine that's quietly automating everything. Now imagine that brain needs a body. That's where Nvidia steps in. Nvidia doesn't just sell GPUs anymore, it sells AI power. Their chips are the reason large language models like GPT-4 even run. Every major company, from Meta to Microsoft, needs Nvidia silicon to train and deploy their models. And demand is so intense, Nvidia's valuation has skyrocketed. It's not a graphics card company, it's the oil supplier of the AI age. But brains and muscles need a backbone. That's Amazon. You might think AWS just hosts websites, but it also powers most of the AI stack behind the scenes. The datasets, the model training, the inference layers, all quietly running on Amazon servers. They've built tools like Bedrock and Titan to offer generative AI as a service, and they're not just competing with OpenAI, they're integrating it into their cloud empire. So let's break this down. OpenAI is the mind, Nvidia is the muscle, Amazon is the backbone. Together, they've built a system so powerful that it's quietly reshaping industries without regulation, without democratic oversight, and without most people even realizing. Jobs aren't just being disrupted, they're being deleted. Entry-level developers are being replaced by AI that writes better, faster code. Content creators are losing ground to faceless automation. Even decision-makers are leaning on AI to guide strategies. This isn't some dystopian future, it's already happening. And here's the hard truth. Those who can't adapt will be left behind. Because in this new AI-first economy, knowing how to code isn't enough. You need to know how to think with AI, build with it, and outmaneuver it. You can complain, or you can evolve. Because if you're still acting like it's 2020, you're already obsolete. The future belongs to the builders who design workflows, optimize prompts, and master the tools, not just use them. If you're serious about surviving the shift, now's the time to move.